Hi Year 3, time for our next math lesson now. So today we're doing something a little bit different. We are doing some addition and subtraction pyramids. So the idea of the addition and subtraction pyramid is that you have got lots of different numbers in different boxes and you have to work out the missing numbers. So numbers that are next to each other, like these two, would add together. So I would do 3 add 8 would give me the number above. So if I do 3 add 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, so I know this one would probably be 11. Okay. To work out one below, if I know one of my numbers, I can work out this one. So this one I would do 14 take away 8 to find my answer. Once I've worked out both of these, I can then find this answer. So I'd add these two together to get this one. So let's have a look at our answers for this one. So if I do 8 add 6, I know 6 add 6 is 12, add 2 more is 14. As I said before, 8 add 3 will give me 11. So now I've got 11 add 14. So I know that 1 add 4 would be 5 and 10 add 10 is 20. So it's 25. So that's our first one. The next one I'm going to let you have a go and I'm not going to show you. We'll just look at the answers afterwards. So hopefully you get what we're doing now. So if they're next to each other, you add them to get the one above it. And if you've got a box underneath that's missing, you would do whatever the big number is, take away that one to get that one. I will explain that a little bit more in the next ones and we'll keep going. Quite a lot to get through today, so let's get going. Okay, so here. So again, we've been given now these middle rows, but we don't know the bottom one, so we need to do some subtractions. So I do 13 take away 9 to get this answer. And I do 17 take away 9 to get this answer. And after that, I do 17 add 13 to get my answer up top. Okay, so have a go at this. Have a little quick go at writing this down. And then I will show you your answers. Okay, so check and see if you've got those right, and I'm going to whiz on to the next page. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to start at the top this time. So I'm going to do 37. I want to take away 17 to find out this one. So 37 take 17 to find out this answer. And I'm going to do 17 take away 11 to find out this answer. Now, if I've worked out 37 take away 17, I should know this one already. So if I know this one, I can do this number, take away 11 to find out this answer. So sometimes you might have to start at the top, sometimes you might have to start at the bottom, or even the middle. It depends on what your pyramid looks like. Okay, time for some answers then. 6, 20, and 9. There you go. Okay. Right then, so here again, you could start with either this one or this one. First of all, I'm going to start here because it's nice and easy. So 14 take away 7, well, we know it's a double, so think about that. And then 29 take away 14, that's what we need to go there. And once I know this one, I can do this one, take away this one to get me this answer. So work out this one and this one first, and then you can work out that answer there. Okay, time for the answers then. There you go. Okay then, so now nice and straightforward. This one is it's a bit bigger this time, so we've got an extra row, but nice and straightforward because we're just adding upwards. Okay, so we do 8 add 3, and 5 add 7, then whatever in these two would add together, and then these two would add together, these two would add together, and then you've got your final answer. Okay, so have a go at writing that one down, and I will pop your answers up in a few seconds. Okay, time for answers. Okay, pause here so you can have a check before we move on. Okay, next one then. So you could start off by working out this one. So you would do 9 add 6 to get that one, and then 13 take away 9 to get this one, and 14 take away 6 to get this one. And then work out from there. On the next ones, I won't be explaining which numbers you need to start with. You need to have a think for the next few to see how you would solve it. I'm going to leave this over to you now because I've done quite a little bit of explaining to help you get the hang of this. So it's over to you on the next few slides, and I will show you answers for this one now. Okay, there you go. So quickly mark that, and then on the next ones I'm just going to show it. So as soon as you see it, pause it, have a go, so I won't be walking you through these ones. Okay, and it's time for answers now. So make sure you've paused it and had to go before you get your answers ready. Okay. Again, pause now so you can make sure you get time to mark this. And again, pause on this screen so that you've got time to write down your answers before we mark. Okay, we are going to have the answers in just a second, so get ready. You'll notice I'm doing them in different orders to how I found the answers to these questions, so hopefully you followed a similar structure. Right then, here is your challenge one. So this is much bigger numbers now, so we should have got the hang of how we do this. Bigger numbers, you will be getting up into the thousands, don't panic, same method. I know you can do this, so just have a go. You might need to write out the additions or subtractions separately. I know a lot of the other ones you could probably have done in your head, but you might need to write these out in column method now. Okay, and we'll get onto our answers now, so let's have a look. Okay, so pause there so you can have a look at your answers. And there we go. And I hope you enjoyed our little bit of a challenge lesson today. So we will do something similar in our final math lesson this week. And I will see you all then. Bye.